Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to log in to your personal account. First, head to www.bzzworldtravel.com. Then from the menu at the right top corner, click the link Sign In. At the login page, please insert your username and your password. The username is your member ID and the password is the same as you have set during the registration process. Next, select whether you are a distributor or a preferred customer. Finally, click the login button. Great! You have now accessed the main landing page. Here you can select the platform of your choice. In this case we will select Bzzworld Travel. Just click on the button, Visit Now. That's great! You have now logged into the system successfully. And this is it for today's tutorial. Have a wonderful trip with Bzzworld Travel.